Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Cesar, and today I'm going to talk about the Gofunnelbox software. So this is going to be a quick review of this amazing email marketing funnel builder and like an all-in-one software for affiliate marketing, online business, and many other things. So you can see in the screen, this is the dashboard, but I'm going to click here on the launch pad so I can download an app and I can see like stats and many other things. I can connect the software with the Google My Business. I can generate more leads from Google My Business. I can connect directly with Facebook. I can generate leads from my website by connecting web chat widget. I can connect the Stripe account. I can also have my website, move my WordPress site to the software, and I can add more team members. So I'm going to click here, dashboard. I have here like graphics and stats, the conversations. Manual, I can do manual actions. I have here some templates. So if I click calendar, so this is pretty straightforward. My contacts, opportunities, payments. If I click here on marketing, I can manage my social media in one place. As you can see in the screen, I can manage Facebook, Instagram, my business, Google, LinkedIn, Twitter. I can create email campaigns, templates, trigger links, affiliate manager. I'm going to click here on automation so you can see. I can create here workflows. Let's see the sites. I can create here funnels, websites, blogs. So this is like kind of new. I can connect the WordPress site with this software. I can create memberships, forms, surveys, chat widget, add media, and do URL redirects. Reputation, I can send review request, invites gold, reviews received, to know what is the sentiment, the average rating, invite trends, review trends, latest review requests. And reporting, I can connect this software with Google Ads, Facebook Ads. I have here an attribution report. Also, I have a call reporting, an agent reporting, and appointment reporting. So this software is like an all-in-one software for any online business that needs funnels, create email marketing, workflows, and also I can use this software to have my WordPress site. So this is like a very similar software to Clickfunnels 2.0. Now, if you want to get access to this software, guys, they are going to launch this software to promote it on January. So if you want to get access, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can get access to this. If you have any questions, let me know, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye.